Welcome to Future Lawyer Week UK.
I'm Isabel Parker and I've been chairing the second day of the Future Lawyer UK conference, the in-house day, and I have to say it's been a fantastic experience. It's the least techie, futuristic conference I've ever been to. It's intensely human in its nature, all about human solutions to human problems. We've had fantastic engagement from the speakers, fantastic engagement from the audience. You could really feel that people were happy to be back together again, all in one place. I've really enjoyed the day, and I encourage anybody who's interested in sharing challenges and solutions with like-minded people in the legal industry to come again and join in next year.
What I really enjoyed was the interaction with similar mindsets and similar colleagues, all the information sharing, being able to feel a little bit more human by sharing war stories, the same challenges, the same, trials and tribulations of every day, and just overall gaining truly unique insights.
The panels have been superb, but the thing that I've loved the most, frankly, has been the people in the plenary and in the shows generally. There's been so much energy. People are really friendly. They want to talk about what they're doing, they want to hear about what other people are doing. There's a lot of wisdom being shared, which I'm really enjoying. I'm learning a lot.
The value I found from being here today was meeting with so many interesting and talented people with very different insights.
I think it is a really good event for mid-level lawyers and for GCs. It's an excellent opportunity to network, to find out what else is going on in the industry, and it's been fantastic to be here post-COVID at one of the first events that I've attended.
Today I've been chairing a panel on kind of getting junior lawyers involved in the tech decision-making process. It's been quite insightful. We had a great panel, some really good questions from the audience, and a lot of engagement.